welcome to today's video, and it's a new month, so I thought I'm going to share my favorites. Actually, I wanted to share my favorites last month, but for some reason I just did not do it. But now I am dedicated, as I said in the last video, I'm going to bring videos very frequently. I'm going to try my best to bring you at least 3 videos a week. So let's quickly get started with my October favorites, and I have November. Okay, so I have no clue where November went, but I used a lot of products during October and November. So it's kind of a combined favorite because I think October was Diwali month, so I was doing a lot of photo shoots and a lot of videos and stuff. So I tried a lot of stuff, and lately the products that I've got in my fab bags and November and my envy box have been amazing. So I've tried a lot of new products. There are a lot of favorites that have been in my favorites for months. So I think I've blabbered enough about my favorites. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with the most favorite thing, which I just cannot live without, which is this Forest Essentials Facial Toning Mist in Bela. This is such an amazing product. I have no clue why this was sitting with me for, I think, almost 4 to 5 months now. I went to one of their events and they gave it. It was, I think, in a goodie bag, and it was sitting in there. I had no clue what to do with it, and one fine day I said, okay, I'm going to use it up. And here I am, in 1 month, I'm down 1 bottle down. It is amazing. All I do is, this is my last step of skincare. So before putting on makeup, just spray it all over your face, and it gives you such a nice, smooth complexion. I use it every single day, twice, one in the morning, one at night. I'm not the kind of person who puts on makeup every single day, but as I said, this is the last step of my skincare. Just spray it on. The mist is very fine, so it's going to get absorbed in maximum 2 to 3 minutes, and I use it very generously. I've seen that this has reduced the appearance of my pores. It's fading off my scars, I would say. I think fading off scars is a combination of few things that I'm using, which I think I'll be showing 2 to 3 of them. So yeah, this is definitely a must try. They have it, I think, in rose also, though I'm going to get myself a rose one for winter because rose is a little more moisturizing and it smells fantastic. All Forest Essential products too. So yeah, that is my first favorite. And then I'm going to the second favorite. When I saw this product for the first time, I was like, I have super oily skin. There's absolutely no way that I'm putting this on my face. But I was just feeling a little experimental, and I used this. It's the Veda Earth Cleansing Facial Oil, and I got it in my last month's fab bag, and it is such an amazing facial oil. I would say it's a facial moisturizer. It just looks like oil. It's all natural, Ayurvedic, homemade kind of a product. What I do is I take 4 to 5 drops, and after I have my serum on and it's all dried up, I put a few drops of this in place of my lotion, and it moisturizes my skin amazingly. It definitely takes around 5 minutes to get absorbed, but it's a fantastic product, especially if you have very sensitive, oily, acne prone kind of skin. You definitely need something which is free of chemicals, and this is that. If you have a lot of acne going on, active acne, do not be scared to use it. This works fantastically to actually, I don't know how, but it works to reduce your acne and pimples and redness and everything. It is it works on every single problem, and you definitely should give it a try. I'm going to buy myself a full big bottle as I'm already running out on this. So this is a fantastic product, and yeah, so this is the product actually which I used before using my toning mist, Forest Essential ones. So yeah, as I was saying, I was actually going through my stash this month, and I used a lot of products which were sitting in there. So I found another product which I have no clue I was not using, which is O3 Plus Eye Circle Cream, which looks like that. It is a really nice cream, and I think I've been using it for now 2 months, almost running out on this. It works really nicely to decrease the puffiness, and I really like it. I use it twice a day, morning and night. I can see the difference in my eye if I forget to put it on. I would say that it brightens up the area. Not sure if this is reducing a lot of dark circles because I don't have a lot to start with, but it definitely works on the puffiness and on brightening the area. And it does not leave your under eye greasy, oily, sticky or anything. So it works fantastically on the makeup as well. So yeah, and I think this was also from some subscription bag. I think it was from My Envy Box, so that's a great discovery there. Okay, so then I am flipping over my The Fizz Kiss Crown Care Cooling Explosion Lip Balm It is so good. I put it on as like other products twice a day, and there's absolutely no need to use it during the day because using it after shower keeps my lips very well moisturized. It's super cooling and I just love the tingling mint sensation that it gives. So yeah, that is amazing. And of course, I put it every night. So when I get up in the morning, my lips are like nice and soft. So that is that. And okay, so one more product and then we'll be moving on to makeup. I am totally loving my Schwarzkopf BC Moisture Cake. This is spray and conditioner, and a lot of times actually I'm trying out something new these days for my hair, which is not my regular Schwarzkopf shampoo. So I thought that I'm not using the shampoo, like my regular shampoo and conditioner, why not use this? And this baby works fantastically. If you, let's say if you have second day hair and you have these little strands sticking out, or your hair looking very dry or frizzy, you just spray this on and you just get these beautiful shiny hair. This smells fantastic. It smells so good that if you spray it, whosoever is like standing next to you is like, oh, what did you use today? It's fantastic. You have to give it a shot, and little goes a long way with this product. The mist that comes out is really fine, so you don't really need a lot. Just spray it on everywhere and you're done. It's like the easiest conditioner ever. So I totally love this. And I have, oh no, so I was wrong. I have one more product that I want to share before I start sharing my makeup favorites, which is this mist. This is natural body mist and I have it in Sweet Ocean. The name is just perfect. It literally feels like you're sitting on a beach. It smells fantastic. It's all natural, so I just love it. I use it after shower every single day after moisturizing my body. I spray it. It lingers on for 2-3 hours and then I respray it. I just love it. I have to get myself like a big bottle. I've seen they have a few more fragrances, so I'm really excited to try it. And I think it was pretty expensive, so yeah. Now moving on to our makeup favorites, I have a few. Okay, so you won't call me idiot, but I had Anastasia cream contour palette sitting in my collection for almost a year now. It was untouched and I was going through my stuff thinking what I need to buy in Black Friday sale, and I saw, oh my god, I already have it and I have not been using it. So I busted it out and this baby is amazing. Like, look at the kind of contour it gives. It is fantastic. If you want to invest in only one good quality palette, I would say just get this one. And the powder one is also very nice, but I just discovered it, so I am obsessed. It's like fantastic. I also rediscovered my Maybelline Fit Me Smooth Set setting powder and hitting pan on it already. It is such a nice, very lightweight powder. You dust it all over your face and it gives you a smooth finish without looking very heavy or cakey. It keeps my oil at bay, and I touch it like once if I'm wearing makeup for 5-6 hours and it gets the job done. I love to set my under eye concealer as well. Very, very inexpensive, so if you're looking for a good powder but you know drugstore range, then you definitely should give it a try. My next favorite is a blusher, which is a very, very inexpensive, like a drugstore kind of a blusher, and I just love it more than any of my high-end products, which is a MUA blusher, and this is in the color Marshmallow. It's this beautiful, beautiful bright pink and I totally love it. You just need a little, take your brush, just pat it on a little and put it on. It gives you the most natural look. I love it. It blends very well, and it was just 100 rupees, 1 pound. No, actually pound is now 83 rupees, so it's just 83 rupees, yeah. And now for the last two products, I am totally loving this new lip and cheek kind of a cream, which is by Lakme. It's called Lakme 95 Weightless Matte Mousse, and the color that I'm totally loving is called as Pink Plush. I don't have it on right now, but I have it on my cheeks today. It is kind of a cream that you can use as a blusher, and it also has a matte lipstick. I have to say that if you're a fan of NYX soft matte lip creams, girl, you have to try this. This is, if not better, it is exactly the same thing. Put it on, forget about it, it's going to stay the entire day. You have to make an effort to remove it, only then it will come off. It is very lightweight, you don't feel dryness, you don't feel that your lips are cracking, or you can't really, it's just the best. You have to give it a try, and I think I'm going to do a full video review on this because I am totally loving this baby. And now the last thing that I have been loving for now 2-3 months, which is the nail polish shade, and if I'm not wrong, I mentioned the same in my last favorites as well, but who cares. It's the Nykaa's Nail Enamel in Earl Grey Tea Cake. I think somebody asked me about this as well. Beautiful grayish kind of a color. It looks fantastic. It looks good in any season with any outfit on any occasion. I generally have it on. Let me tell you something. I had it on today as well, but as I was getting ready, I saw that my nails were looking all jacked up, so I painted this brown color over it because I'm cheap like that. That was all for my November's favorite videos. I am totally loving these products. The best part is that most of the products are either from my own collection that I've rediscovered and I've fallen in love with again, or these are products that I got last month or last month in my Envy box or Fab bag. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, do leave me in the comment section below. I will definitely try and reach you ASAP, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye!